Talks channel enthusiastically welcomes you in the series of grammar topics. In these topics, we try to facilitate you with different linguistic skills and make you familiar and comfortable with this language. And in this series, we have different grammar topics with so many tips and tricks. I hope this video definitely helps you to improve your language. Let's start our topic. Now, I'll explain you the types of conjunction in this video. Conjunctions are further divided into three parts: coordinating conjunctions, subordinating conjunctions, and correlative conjunctions. Coordinating conjunction is a word that connects phrases and words as well. The example of these coordinating conjunctions are for, and, nor, but, on, yet, so. And the sentence example is: Sheena went to the park and she went to the grocery shop. So coordinating conjunctions are 8 in number. Next is subordinating conjunctions. These conjunctions shows relationship of time or place, or to show a relationship between two clauses involving a transition of time or place. These are 48 in number, and the example is: I can't play with you because my mother don't allow me. And subordinating conjunctions are after, although, even though, every time, since, so that, then, though, unless, until, whenever, while, when, even, before, because, etc. Correlative conjunctions. These conjunctions are pairs and connect two balanced clauses, phrases, or words. Example: either or, not only but, neither nor, both and, whether or, just as, so, as much as, no sooner than, rather than, etc. And sentence example is: either Sohan or Vishal will attend the meeting. Now, these are some connectors with their meanings and the examples of sentences, how we can use them in the formation of sentence. Because is used to show reason. She usually eat at home because she likes cooking. Although is used to show two opposite statements. Although he speaks seldom, he says meaningful words. Whereas is used to show contrast. She is very funny, whereas he is boring. But is used to join two ideas that are opposites. I am very hungry, but the fridge is empty. Besides means in addition to also. It is a preposition. She speaks 3 languages besides Spanish. Unlike means different from, not similar to. Jack is completely unlike his father. Therefore, is used to show the result effect of an action. She came first, Therefore, she got a good seat. Provided means if or only if they can listen to music, provided they disturb nobody. Unless means except on the condition that you don't need to go unless you want to. Since is used to show result. Since I see you, I am better. So is used to show result. Whoever says so is a liar. If is used to show condition. Let me know if you go to the school. Yet shows contrast or joins opposites. We haven't finished eating the watermelon yet. After tells us about order, sequence. I can pass after the green light is on. Thanks for watching this video.